Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add products to your wish list on the Autodoc application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the plus icon down below and select a category. After that, select a subcategory and select from the results. After applying your filters, here you can find relevant details about the item, and if you would like to add it to your wish list, click on this heart icon next to the add to basket button in the left side corner of the screen down below. And if you want to check out your wish list, all you have to do is clicking on this profile icon down below, which is the last option. Then scroll down to the My Wishlist section in the middle of the screen, tap on it, and here you will be able to find all of the items that you have added to this section. If you want to edit the item, click on the this edit button in the upper right corner of the screen, select the circle in the left side and delete the item if you want to get rid of it from your wish list. Then click on delete items down below. And that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.